Hey guys, here's a quick update to my last video, part one of building the lab pod and the capsule. When you get to this point and you've got these two posts that they tell you to put in here for the end section, for the side section, make sure that when you install them, they fit flush. Because if you put these backwards, they'll stick out just a little bit at the joint and they won't quite fit, and that's because they're in the wrong direction. So make sure, because the instructions aren't very clear on how they go, just make sure when you put them in that they are flush. The taller one goes in the back, the smaller one goes in the front, but there's a tab. Let me show you. I haven't finished gluing this yet. There's a tab that can go either way, and right now it doesn't want to come out. What the heck? And basically, right there. So that tab, you can orientate that tab either direction. Just make sure the direction you do looks like this, or simply when you put on this other part at the top, that it fits flush. If it doesn't fit flush, it's in the wrong direction. Turn it around. All right. And another quick comment on the capsule. I told you guys before, I don't put the windows in till last. Same thing with these silver parts. I paint the silver parts separately, and at the very end I just glue them in, because this is just basically press in there and tiny bit of glue. So that way I don't have to worry about masking, and it comes out just fine, okay, if you do it that way. So alright guys, till next time.